to D1.
The loss of
Brainless.
D1. D1 lost to me
Brainless.
badly.
You're.
Can you tell me
Oh,
how
chill,
D1
chill, chill, chill,
won,
chill, chill,
please?
chill, 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 chill.
Stop, because
Brainless.
I know this nigga finna
Brainless.
say stop. You're gonna say,
Brainless. Brainless.
you
Brainless.
said
I
he
saw you in
D1.
the comments, dick riding exility, saying he won.
Why is this nigga dick
Wait,
riding?
wait, 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 wait.
Stop. Yeah, go ahead and prove that was
Alright.
my account. Go ahead and prove that was my account.
So he said in the comments that I won? This nigga said this in genius, bro.
That you won,
The
because
fuck?
D1 is not actually good. So
Oh
it's gonna
shit,
win
this
with the
nigga's so
retard.
funny, bro.
That's like Infinity debating Blue Marvel retard. Like what the fuck? But what are recording at?
Sure, I don't care, but please give the recording of
I
me
was
saying
just
any
gonna
of that
argue
because he just made the Tron.
But like Tron, you wanna take the argument? Does it look like you disagree with it?
Disagree with what?
The argument that I was presenting.
Yeah, your argument is ass.
Okay, we could debate it, I guess.
Okay, so your position that if you're touching an apple, a material object that occupies space, that you're touching space inherently.
Yeah, something that occupies.
Okay, provide your
Yes,
argument for that.
intelligence.
Provide your argument for that, dumbass bitch.
What do you mean, dumb speech? Why?
That nigga thought that was a rhetorical jab, but like anyways, so like
It is
I stated,
not.
okay, so yeah, it looked like.
Okay, so what's P1? What's P1? Go ahead.
Okay, so yeah, I don't need a deductive
Oh, no. What's P1, bro? Nigga, chill out.
Not rhetorical. So actually, let me give the argument, retard. So, example: if I touch an apple and the apple holds height, one thing there, which was abilities agreements. That's the spatial properties of spatial properties going to be height, width, and length, or whatever. You agree to that, correct?
No, I don't.
You don't. So what's going to be the spatial property?
I don't agree with your definition of space. Space is analytically distinct from an apple. Space encompasses what the thing is in. For example, if something encloses my house, chill out. If I'm within the house, like let's say a 3-4 story house, and if I touch a speaker within my house, does that mean I'm touching the house?
Okay, so
even via reductive ad absurdum, your argumentation already fucking renders invalid. And in this instance, it's not going to be deductively valid.
Not going to be the argument.
Chill out. Already, I'm attacking your inference. Chill out. I'm not done. Chill out, nigga. I'm not done. I'm not done with my argument. Chill out, nigga. Chill out. That was attacking premise number one.
Hold on.
Chill out.
You want to debate about a neutral server? Because like,
so
we can be like have moderation.
Can I finish my analogical argument?
I don't care about your analogical argument if it doesn't pertain to my argument.
It does pertain to your argument because you're claiming because
he's
Apple
literally
has
trying
some
to tell you that
properties
he
of
was
space that's
attacking
inherently space when I
P1.
made the analytical distinction between the apple and the space. And the apple being what's enclosed within space. So in virtue of its form, I'm saying that when you're touching an apple, which is enclosed in space, just like if you're touching a speaker that's enclosed within a house, you're not inherently touching the house. You fucking dumb bitch.
You can try to respond to a potential proposition that I'm going to lay out, but I didn't actually.
You already laid out the proposition. So what's your justification? Go ahead.
I asked the question.
What's your justification? What's the question, dumb bitch?
So actually answer the question, retard.
What's the question?
The question is going to be for like a retard like you because I have to actually
regurgitate
the question once again.
Oh my god, this nigga's so ass low tier shit. Brainless, I already told you, you dumb bitch. Within my position. Can I answer?
What's the property of spatial components? Because I already asked the question.
Listen. Brainless. I said that it is permissible, and it can be the case that an apple can share some properties of space. But I made an analytical distinction that this space in question, right? Please listen, please track the space in question, just like a house, is going to enclose this apple. If I have the same properties as another human being, us being two beings, does not mean in virtue of our form, logically, we're the same being. That would be illogical by definition, you stupid bitch. Dumbass nigga. Secondly,
I like how you actually
chill out. I'm not done with my arguments. I'm not done with my arguments. I'm not done responding to your question. I'm not done. Why do you keep cutting me off? I'm not done. I'm not done. Are you gonna let me finish? I'm not done.
I don't care if you're not done if you're not pretending to the argument at all.
You're repeating yourself. Your ass. You're repeating yourself, you stupid bitch, and I did provide the argument, you fucking dumb bitch. Anyways, like I just said, you dumbass bitch, I said it's permissible that it can share the same properties, but that doesn't mean that in virtue of their logical form, that these two separate entities are one and the same. Just because if I share properties with exility, us being humans, some properties, that doesn't entail that I am exility in virtue of my logical form. And the analytical distinction between these two entities being that the space encloses this material object. Therefore, it logically follows that via reductive ad absurdum that the apple is not space. Provide your counter argument. Go ahead.
Okay, so like I said again, I'm not going to pertain to that argument because I asked the question, right? This question is going to be indicative towards the discussion. So if I ask the question, what's
I don't give a fuck about your question.
Stop. If I ask the question, like, what is space?
I answered your question already.
No, you did not. You gave an, I guess, analogous reasoning for why
No, it's called a reduction argument, you stupid bitch. It's called a reduction argument, you stupid bitch. I answered your question and gave a reduction argument. So go ahead. Rebuttal.
I'm not done. So, Tron, I asked the question. You can say that you answered the question, but you didn't. You gave an analogous, I guess, proposition.
Analogous proposition? What is that? What's an analogous proposition? Define that.
You answered the question that I already provided, stupid faggot. So, like I said, the question again,
what's the analogous proposition?
Group is that what is spatial properties? What's going to be the component of spatial properties? Answer that.
It's redundant. It's a redundant question because I already analytically distinct space from an apple. You fucking dumb bitch.
Progress the dialectic, retard.
Forget the dialectic, you dumbass bitch. First off, I already answered your question, nigga. You can bring it so far at the end, but you can just think that. Secondly, I made the argument that you cannot contend that even if someone can share same properties as another person, that doesn't mean in virtue of form it follows that that person analytically is the same. Dumbass bitch, you still haven't refuted that. You have provided no counter argument. Now to answer your fucking shitty question, right? I'm saying that it's possible, it is permissible that an apple can share some properties of space, but that doesn't mean that an apple, which is enclosed within space, which encompasses the apple, these are just two same things. These are analytically distinct. You're not attacking the analytical distinction.
Okay, so
now, the analogy, you didn't attack the analogy, and I believe you don't even know what the fucking analogy is because you're fucking dog shit. I'm saying, and I want you to attack this. If someone is inside of a house, and if I touch a speaker that's enclosed within the house, and that house, right, it is permissible that the house can have some properties that pertains to the speaker within the house. But if I'm touching the speaker, that doesn't entail, and it doesn't logically guarantee that I'm touching the house in virtue of its logical form. That's what I'm attacking, the logicality of your argument.
Tron. Okay, so like I said again, can you re-clarify?
Like I said again? Yeah, you fucking suck, bitch. You suck. I don't need to clarify shit.
I need you to re-clarify because it wasn't concise at all. So actually,
it was concise, nigga. I clarified it to you fucking 3 times because you can't track, stupid bitch. Your name is brainless. You literally live up to your name, dumb bitch. Anyways,
the question that I asked you, sorry.
I already answered your question. You can believe.
You're so dumb. Clarify because I couldn't hear it because you're inconcise and you're not coherent.
Can you turn that down real quick?
No.
All right.
Because you're loud.
All right. Anyways, what do you want me to clarify for you? I'll go slow for you.
Okay, so let me regurgitate it once again for this retard because he has big baboon ears that cannot hear.
Big baboons, yeah. But you had me clarify something. Right, go ahead.
I told you to re-clarify the question. Re-clarify the answer that I asked.
Re-clarify what? The inferences you have?
Re-clarify the answer that you gave for my question.
Re-clarify the answer that I gave for your question.
Yeah, you don't have to regurgitate my argument.
Okay, so I explained it to this nigga like 30 times. I said that it is permissible that the apple can have some properties that pertains to space.
That is not my question, retard. So you actually
I answered your question. Your question. Hold on, listen. Chill, brainless. We can go back to reporting. Your question verbatim is the space, right? Does apple have spatial properties? I'm saying that it can have spatial properties, but I'm saying in virtue of form. Analytically, that space is something that encompasses an apple, which is my position. It's not going to inherently be apple just because it has some properties that it can possibly share. You fucking stupid bitch. You suck.
That was not my question. I'm going to say this for the
I answered your question. What is your question?
No, you did not answer the question. You tried to answer the question with something that was like misinterpreted because you said
it wasn't misinterpreted. It directly attacks the logicality of your argument. Go ahead.
Okay, stop. Yeah.
So what's the question again? What's the question? Tell everyone in the VC your question. Tell again, which I answered.
Stop, niggas. That's not providing you any rhetorical points for, nigga. But like
alright, that's why your name is brainless, faggot.
Okay, I don't give a follow, nigga.
Nigga, ass. Low tier shit. Anyways, go ahead. I'm not getting beat up. How am I getting beat up, but you haven't even attacked any of my analogical arguments? You suck. You suck. What was my argument?
What's the components of spatial properties, retard?
Oh my god, this nigga is dumb as shit. Oh, all right. So in my position, I clarify. Chill out. So in my position, I clarify to you that space, right, is just going to be something analytically distinct from an apple, something that encloses nothing within it. For example, hold on, brainless, chill out. I know your brain is like not comprehending this. I said that space is going to be something that is a continuum, a conceptual framework that encompasses the 3 dimensions of length, width, height. It's something that encompasses the length, width, height. And I said, just because an apple can have some sort of properties that can possibly pertain to that, does not mean that in virtue of its form, it is space, which is something that encompasses the dimensions of length, width, and height. Your argument is contingent on the fact that Apple can share some properties in space, which is length and width and height, but that doesn't mean that in virtue of its form, because of those properties, that it is space. Because space, hold on, chill out, you stupid bitch, because space, in my position, I said, is something that encompasses length, width, height, and further to elaborate, it is defined as the balanced extent in which objects and events occur. So it's analytically distinct from an apple by virtue of the objects, which is encompassed within space, taking precedent within space, which is distinct from the apple. Now, your argumentation, again, I'm going to regurgitate this again. It follows that premise number one, Apple shares some components of space, and then if you're touching the apple, you're touching space, and that's what the carnal argumentation entails. That's not my argument. That is your argument.
My argument is not saying that you're touching. If you touch like apple or whatever, you're touching like I guess the totality or.
No, you're no. Oh my God.
No, but your argument still says that whenever you're touching apple, you're touching space. That's what you said even earlier. That's what Tron is attacking.
That's what I'm attacking, stupid bitch. Oh my God, this nigga's so ass. Holy shit. You're not real.
Touching the properties of space. I clarify this.
That's not my position. That's not my position. You're supposed to argue against, my nigga. You're stupid. I'm not on a negation to that. Chill out, brainless. All right, we cannot be toxic. No, brainless. I think you're just confused. Okay, I said. Chill, brainless. Chill out. I'm just gonna tell you right now. This is a I cannot speak right now, my nigga. Bro, your name is rubbing up on you. All right. So, anyways, this is a miscommunication. My position, which I clarified to the whole VC, is that one. Before I went into my position, I clarified that space, right, heading into this dialectic. Space is something that is a conceptual framework that encompasses the three dimensions of length, width, height. So by that, when you're touching an apple, that is something that is an object that is enclosed within space in virtue of its logical form and the analytically distinguished properties. You're not inherently touching space, because space is something that is distinct from the apple. It encompasses the apple. And the analogy I use to justify that entails that if you're within the house, let's say a house is space, right? Let's say a house is space, and if there's a speaker in the house, if the speaker can have some properties, some geometrical properties that pertains to the house, right? It can have some geometrical properties that it shares. But if you touch a speaker in the house, then you're not inherently touching the house. It follows. Your argumentation terminates via that analogical argument, which you haven't even put into question. You're just confused because you can't track, stupid bitch.
Tron. I gotta actually like simplify for these retards and these services. So yeah, you are attacking like I guess a
that's my position.
Like
that's my argument.
You are attacking a proposition that I like affirm like pre-existing towards the debate, like with agility, whatever. So the argument that I gave for agility, what I should have elaborated on was that if you touch an apple, you're touching space. But I gave elaboration in a debate. I said if you touch the apple, you are touching properties of space. If you're saying that that's not going to be your argument, well, I ask you, do you want to argue or do you want to, I guess, debate upon the argument that I have with agility? So if you're trying to refute a pre-existing argument that
brainless, no, listen.
Let him finish.
All right, I'll let him finish. My bad. I'm
just making the question, but let him finish.
I know.
Like I said again, if you're gonna argue to something that I'm not arguing to, for example, because I already asked you, do you want to debate about the topic that I was having with agility? So if that's not my argument, you're debating something that I'm not disagreeing with.
That's not what you said, my nigga. Okay. So this is why you cannot track, my nigga. So before we divulge into our little argument, because you know you're gonna fold, because you cannot. It's impossible for you to refute what I just said. It's literally logically impossible for you to refute what I just said. But I literally said, I clarified before we got into this discussion that you hold the position that touching an apple is inherently touching space, right? And that's what Exility's arguing. Exility's was arguing the same thing I was arguing, but he just was his action. I don't know what it was, and I'm saying, okay, so I'm gonna hold the position, right? I'm going to hold the position that the space is analytically distinct from an apple by virtue of it encompassing an apple, and I'm talking about a conceptual framework that encompasses the three dimensions, length, width, and height, because that's literally what Exility is talking about, you fucking retard. So it is the same topic. You just didn't understand what Exility is saying. I don't know if you had any miscommunication because you fucking suck. You fucking dog shit tears up. All right, anyways, I'm gonna chill. But that's what I'm saying. So provide your counter argument, because you can't, because it's logically impossible. That's what Exility was taking his time slamming your dumb ass on.